What's going on, guys? Today's video with the ergonomic mice that we're going to go in the box and review. This is a office slash somewhat gaming mice that you can get for about 60 bucks on Amazon. I'll link in the description if you decide to purchase, or you can get it on the website. Both are affiliated links, so I will get a small commission, so keep in mind, but it will be at no extra cost to you. In fact, it'll actually save money. Let's go to get into a sound test. Alright, so I've been using the mouse for a few weeks now. I want to give you my overall thoughts and opinions of it. So now this has a 900 milliamp capacity for the battery itself. You have this ergonomic ball. I'll get into that in a bit. It's one of the main selling points. Obviously color RGB, switch up to 3 devices. Ergonomic design, so it fits comfortably in your hand. You can easily change the direction of the angle right there quickly, which is really cool. So 360 degrees, you can move it around like that in any direction you can possibly think of, which is nice. And it reduces your fatigue on your arm and arthritis and everything else like that. The DPI button right here switches between 3 DPI modes, 1000, 1600, and 2400 DPI. So you can easily change the speed of your mouse wheel, basically. You also have RGB right here, so you can go and switch the modes, and really cool on that. I like to keep it a solid type of look. Now this does have a 100-day max battery capacity. Obviously it does vary between if you're using it on Bluetooth or dongle, if you're using a high DPI setting, or if you have the RGB on or off. Everything varies, but for now we are on the second mode, which is the Bluetooth, and it does blink every so often. The first mode is the dongle, so Bluetooth is 2 and 3, which it does seamlessly disconnect and connect to separate devices, which you can control your iPad, your iPhone, between your monitors, on separate monitors, on different displays, your Xbox, your PS5, PlayStation 4, anything that supports a wireless mouse or a dongle, you can do that. I put the dongle inside the console of the Xbox, that way I can use it on the first mode. Before, I was using 2 Rocat mouse, because I love Rocat. I use a regular one and a wireless one, and I use the wireless one because I don't want to unplug the wired one and then plug it into the console, or vice versa. I just want to have both mice right there, and yeah, so I use both of these mice for 2 jobs that I would seamlessly do with just one. So that's what I do. But now I have 1 mouse instead of 2. Both of these cost well over 150. This one's only 60, so I've technically saved 3 times the price on 1 mouse, and it's very comfortable, very ergonomic. It has RGB too. You have a very comfortable fit. When gaming, it's pretty good as well. You have this nice scroll wheel, very nice, very minimal branding there as well. So very nice mice overall. The battery so far is good. I didn't charge it out of the box, so I got a few weeks of usage, so I'd say about 14 days of usage roughly that I got on this, but it wasn't, I don't know if it was fully charged because I just got it out the box and started using it immediately. So just keep that in mind. But now we have it at a full charge, and it claims 100 days or 900 milliamps. So we're gonna come back within my 3 to 6 month review. We'll check it out later, but I definitely will be keeping this mouse, and I will probably be not using these for a while. I don't know. I haven't switched back. It was really hard to switch back now because I don't like moving it, and this is just much bigger profile, and it just works, so that's cool. However, there are some downsides. So number 1, you have to use the included cable because of the enclosure, so you can't use your own USB Type-C. You have to keep the one that's in the box, which is really poor, very poor design, very poor design. So if you want to use a mouse bungee and keep it wired the entire time, you have to use the included one, and it's very short. 2, the scroll wheel, which is the main selling point, gets stuck sometimes, and it feels not smooth. So it gets like when you're scrolling, it's like stuck, and then you have to push it back. The way I found to help it is just spin it really fast like that and hard, and to smoothen out any surface that it needs to do. But that's also another downside to it. So yeah, but everything else, I really do love this mouse. Like I honestly love it. For it only being 60 bucks is a mind-changing experience. And I'm pretty sure you can remove the ball somehow, because there's a little hole right there to access the ball, but I'm not too sure how. But yeah, on and off switch right here as well. Once again, very minimal branding, but we will go ahead and weigh it here. All right, and it weighs 8.7 ounces or 248 grams. So it's a pretty heavy mouse, but like I said, you're not going to be moving it around the desk or anything. You can put this basically on anything. You can put it on your bed. So you know how mouse don't work on certain items because of their sensors on the bottom. This one works on any surface, so you can put it on your bed. You could do work on your bed. Just put it on the surface and then you can easily move it around, which is also another great selling point on this mouse compared to any other mouse out there. A lot of controversy about this, copying Logitech. I don't know if I should go into that more, but it is very close to the Logitech Ergonomic MX or whatever it's called. That is still $100. It doesn't come with RGB, and it's very similar. I will do a comparison of that in the future, so if you want to know which one is better, stay tuned for that. I'll probably do that within a month. So I'll see you guys in the next one, and we out.